Yay! Exciting!
We're waiting for our bus car.
From the beach, we are passing by this mall and meron silang hypermarket dito. So sabi namin, bibili lang kami something ng mga snacks namin before kami dumiretso doon sa water park. Daan tayo muna dito, supermarket. And then magsi-CR din kami, guys. What's your order?
Mango.
Dried mango. This one is dried strawberry, love.
Ice cream. Chalo, take one strawberry.
Okay.
Veg puffs.
Which granted siya, guys. Kagabi pa lang sinabihan na siya ng Athena. Bibilhan siya ng ice cream. Allowed siya kumain ngayon ng ice cream dahil nasa mainit kaming lugar. So, ayan, nakabili na siya. And si Daddy andun pa sa loob. Magbabayad. We were feeling so refreshed after coming from the hypermarket. We got so excited, guys. Parang na-deprive kami pumunta sa hypermarket kagaya nito. So we got snacks, we got food. This is for Daddy. This is Daddy's chicken puff. Yeah. And for Mimi, what is that? What are you having?
Croissant.
Mishka is having croissant. And for me, this is like pizza bun. Hindi ko pa siya na-open. Tapos, dried mango. Meron kaming strawberry para kay Mishka. And bumili din kami, guys, ng burgers. Chicken burger. Dalawa siya. 99 rupees lang. So, diba, anytime na magutom kami mamaya, meron kaming makain. Yung kay Mishka na ice cream, naubos niya na. And ito, binili ni Daddy sa akin. Tender coconut, yung flavor. Yeah, I will eat this now. And then, meron din kami sa likuran, mga binili namin. Painin muna natin to before siya mag-melt.
Are you going to share with me?
Okay, I'll share with you. No, because she shared her mango ice cream.
How about the mango ice cream, sweetheart?
It's sour.
Is it sour?
I don't like it. It's so sour, Mimi.
That's not good, baby.
We are almost there. 6 minutes away na lang yung pupuntahan namin na water park. Vismaya Water Park. Dito sa Kannur, Kerala. And yung aming anak, tulog na sa likod. Umihilig pa. Masyado siyang nag-enjoy kanina sa beach. Na ngayon, pagod na pagod siya. Nakatulog agad. After kumain, nakatulog siya. Okay na yun kasi busog siya. Tapos at least makapagpahinga siya ba. Before na naman kami sa Sabak. Sa isa na namang adventure. Daddy? Let her rest before we'll get on another adventure.
Yeah, she's charging herself.
Yeah, 5 minutes left. And now we are passing by another backwater.
Beautiful place.
Yeah, it reminds us of our Kerala trip last year with the Fambam. Nice.
From here, maybe you can go to boat ride.
Oh, yeah.
Boating is there, so people are going to boating maybe. This way.
Yeah, so many cars are here. Another tourist destination here in Kannur. We thought that Kannur is just a small place, but actually it's big. There's so many things to do. And their beach earlier was really good. The waves are good. The sand is good. And now, Off to another destination. We'll have some fun. It's 12:14, so half day. We have completed already. There's another temple, oh. Maraming temple dyan. On the way. But we are near na. 2 minutes away na lang.
It's a bus stop.
Even if you don't have car, you can travel and come here. Kasi ang lapit lang sa bus stop. And then mag-auto ka na lang from the bus stop papunta sa yung destination. We're here. Vismaya. Should we wake her up? We are entering Vismaya Water Park. Yeah, people will be already inside, but it's not crowded as expected. Yay! Exciting!
This is such a wonderful.
Oh, where should we get our ticket? Ticket counter. Okay, so what's your height?
Only for adults, have you?
So Mishka is free.
Yeah. Mishka is free. 2 adults, 790 each. 1,580.
Wow. Ooh, exciting. Yeah, we'll go.
Raise your hand.
So we kept our bag in the locker room. First, we are going to do the sky train. So now, before we get into the pool, we will try their other rides. Because now it's 1, so it's still very hot and no one was there in the pool. Maybe because it's very hot and they are first trying out the ride. So we'll do that and later swim.
Yeah.
It's hot.
Take off. Sure.
Our next ride.
Priya, why you didn't let mommy come home?
Hindi niya ako pinasakay dun sa tornado. Iyak siya na
Why
maiiwan
you
siya
don't let my wife join with me, huh?
the clouds. Ooh, it feels so good. The way that I've been living, now it's hitting different. Moving like we should. Pulses in my body, we just getting started. Ooh, it feels so good. Ooh, it feels so good.
Okay?
No, it will laugh.
It will go up and down. Bye!
Wait lang pa kami.
Whee! Whee!
Don't look behind this. Look straight. Yeah. Adventurous, huh?
Yeah. are done. We enjoyed. Kaya hindi ako masyadong nakapag-vlog guys. Pero lahat ng mga rides nila, mga slides, available sa lahat. Pero merong lang iba na merong age limit. Yung bata gustong mag-picture. Ang daming tao in fairness. Pero sobrang lawak niya guys. Merong pool dyan. Tapos meron din dun sa kabilang side. Dan, let's go. Say bye. We are going now. Punta na kami sa sasakyan. Yeah, we're done. Yeah, we'll come back here next time, okay? Update, it's already 4:22 and we are heading back to Madikeri. 2 hours and 55 minutes yung kailangan namin biyahiin, 102 kilometers. We just had our burger and yung chicken puff para kay Abhi kanina na binili namin. But we're looking for some restaurants where we can eat na on the way lang. We're planning earlier for a seafood feast. Pero ngayon, for our convenience,
But for that we'll need to go to that main city again.
Yeah, on the way na lang kami maghahanap. Para makauwi din kami ng early guys kasi we have to pass by, you know, zigzag roads. Hindi kami magpapagabi sa daan. One of the best adventures we had, huh, that day?
In single it was
But
short.
it was short. We have stayed in one place kasi doon yung gusto ni Mishka, yung merong water slide. But on the other side, there's still more that we need to explore.
But
Sobrang laki ng area nila guys, nakakapagod.
But this was famous for like mostly for I think water rides only. There are some small toy trains
And Mishka enjoyed also the what is this, rides earlier.
Yeah.
And the water, of course. She loves water. She loves swimming. Tingnan niyo yung mga bahay dito sa Kerala, guys. Big houses talaga dito.
Not kind of
Malaki
small
talaga.
houses.
Yeah.
All big houses.
Tingnan niyo. Mansion. Ang ganda ng mga bahay nila dito. Sa house? Parang hotel. Tingnan niya.
If you think this is a hotel, this is a house.
Grabe, mansion.
This side you see.
Tingnan yung mga bahay, guys.
This one you see. This one. They are making it also like a Dubai style, huh?
Yeah, villa.
Villa. Mansion villa.
Stop over tayo guys para bumili ng isda. Meron kami nadaanan ng isang maliit na town guys and nagtanong-tanong kami kung saan merong biryani na restaurant. So, dito meron. She's smiley. Tara, let's have late lunch. We're having chicken biryani. Kain tayo.
Could you imagine if we let our walls fall down? Took all the baggage that we saved and threw it out. Grab the keys, hit the lights. Wanna leave this town behind. The water's warm, the world is wide. Could you take me there tonight? Paradise. Paradise. Paradise.
We are home safe and sound. Thank you, Lord, for a day full of adventures, fun, and happy memories. Eksakto na alas 8 talaga ng gabi yung dating namin dito sa Madikeri. Umalis kami doon kanina sa Kannur. 4:40. Tama ba? So, mga 3 hours yung biyahe namin pauwi dito. I'm so happy na nakadaan kami kanina sa supermarket, hypermarket, and nakabili ako ng Migoreng. Ito yung Migoreng brand talaga, chicken noodles. Bumili ako kasi nakakamiss minsan humigop ng sabaw ng chicken noodles. So, bumili ako. Bumibili ako nito nung nasa Bangalore kami. Kaya lang dito wala na akong ibang mabilhan ng Indomie na noodles. So, bumili ako dalawa. Ito, special chicken. And yung isa na nabili ko is yung ano lang, regular na chicken flavor. Tapos yung Indomie na pancit canton na Migoreng. Ito talaga yung binibili namin. Tapos yung una kong nakita is ito, Top Me. So, bumili na lang din ako para matry ko kung kamusta yung lasa nito. Kung magkapareho lang pa sila ng Indomie. Tapos, what else did we buy? Raisins.
Black raisins.
Black raisins. Bread.
So, mango
Mixed fruit jam. Yan. Ubus na ni Miss na yung dried mango. Tapos, eto. Regular pistachio nuts na na-peeled na. Meron silang salted. This one is unsalted, no? So, ito yung nabili namin dun, guys. Tapos, nung pauwi kami, nakabili ako ng isda. This is with octopus lushka and isda. Pang prito-prito lang. Freezer ko na lang ito. Bukas ko na siya lilinisin kasi nakakapagod. Gusto ko magpahinga na. Kasi na siya sa kwarto na doon nakatulog. How was your day, Daddy?
Well,
Our
good.
driver. Today is Women's Day, so happy Women's Day to all
Happy Women's
women
Day to all
watching
women.
this video. And I just remembered earlier that last year, our Women's Day celebration
Was in Ooty.
was in Ooty with Mama and Papa.
Yeah.
And this year, kaming tatlo na lang. I hope you have enjoyed today's travel vlog. And we hope to share more travel vlogs with you soon.
Yeah.
And if you do enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And leave us a comment down below. Good night, and we'll see you again in our next vlog. Bye.